RList is a process for nursing students to complete reentry or repeat course placement to get registered for core nursing classes. Why might a student need to RList? There are a variety of reasons. First, if the student is unsuccessful in a core nursing course, this would mean the student earned a C or lower in a core class, or maybe the student chose to withdraw or audit a course. A student may also need to RList if they are transferring from another institution into CVTC's nursing program. When it comes to unsuccessful attempts in the first semester, a student would need to submit an RList form if they are unsuccessful in pharmacology or fundamentals. In the second semester and beyond, it's any core course. In the first semester, if a student is unsuccessful in skills or clinical, they must reapply to the program and be subject to the wait list. If a student needs to RList, there will be a hold placed on file that would prevent registration. They would need to submit the RList form by going to the Commons, clicking on Forms, and then looking for the Nursing RList form. On that landing page, there are specific dates and times in which the form opens and closes, so students would want to be aware of that time frame. Priority is given based on the date and time in which the form was submitted, and students who need to switch between the Eau Claire and River Falls campus locations will also need to complete the RList form. Students who are on the RList are then placed in open courses by the program director on a space available basis. In other words, as an RList student, you are not able to register for courses on your own. This also means you'll not have the flexibility of choosing your own schedule until you're fully cycled back into the program. Because of the waiting list for this program, it is important to know that if you are unsuccessful in the first semester fundamentals or pharmacology theory courses, you may complete the RList form and have the opportunity to repeat the course. But if you are unsuccessful in either skills or clinical in the first semester, like mentioned earlier, you will have to reapply to the program, meet current admission requirements, and wait to be accepted back into the program. Bear in mind that this will have an effect on the number of attempts at the course and the progression policy. Your instructor is your first line of defense. If you begin to struggle in your class, meet with your instructors or find a study buddy in the class to help you. Use our tutoring services or staff in the academic support lab to get additional help. Do everything in your power to be successful in your classes so that you can finish your program in a timely fashion. If you fail a course in the second semester or beyond, you may be able to complete an RList form to get cycled back into the program, and then all repeats will be subject to the progression policy previously discussed.